Hi, my name is Jason with FoxFury Lighting, and today I'm going to teach you on how to remove and replace your elastic strap on our Command series and Discover series headlamps. I'm demonstrating this on a Command, but the process is the same for both the Command and Discover series. First thing you want to do is remove any pre-existing cable guides. Next, undo the Velcro. Slide the strap through your back plate of your battery pack. Once that's done, slide the strap through the clip that's pre-attached. And then go ahead and remove the strap from the light bar completely. To reinstall, you want to make sure that you start with the FoxFury logos facing inward on the light. Loop it through the left side of the headlamp, and then through the pre-attached clip here. The less slack you have, the better on the end. Once more through the clip. Go ahead and put it through the back plate of your battery pack now, outside in. Inside out for the opposite side. And then you'll want to go ahead, finish off attaching to the light bar and secure it with the Velcro. That's all there is to it.